Marquita Chanel from pinchmetwice.com. I'm sharing my favorite chocolate cake recipe today. For the filling, I'm using Dulce de Leche, which is basically sweetened milk that is caramelized. The literal translation of Dulce de Leche is a sweet made from milk. So let's do it. We have all of our dry ingredients, and I added in vegetable oil and sour cream. Next, I'm adding in water, vinegar, and vanilla extract. Now with this recipe, you're supposed to add in black coffee, but I actually forgot to stop and get some, so I skipped that part. Finally, you add in your egg, making sure to blend in between. Okay, I went ahead and lined my cake pans with vegetable oil and parchment paper. And I decided to be really extra, y'all, and weigh out my cake pans to make sure the batter was even. You can definitely skip this part if you want to. This batter is very runny, which means the cakes are going to be really soft and moist. I popped the cakes in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. So after I let them cool a bit, I'm going to wrap the cakes, then pop them in the freezer for about 30 minutes while I make the frosting. Okay, so I started off with unsalted butter and cocoa powder. I added in my vanilla extract, powdered sugar, now some milk, I continued to add more powdered sugar and milk until I got the right consistency. Y'all, check out my new cake turntable. I thought it was so cute. Okay, so here I'm just carefully pricking the cake layer so that the Dulce de Leche can get all up in there. Okay, let me tell y'all, this cake is very, very moist. So I actually had a bit of trouble with frosting it. I probably should have left it in the freezer longer, but I didn't have time for all that. This cake is very, very rich. I cannot eat this cake without a big glass of milk. I just can't. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more great videos to come. Thanks for watching.